Dear friends, all the marital troubles are due to the ignorance of power and functioning of mind. When we know how to use the mind correctly, can solve the friction between the husband and wife. Friends, do you know what is the real meaning of marriage? Marriage to be real must first be on a spiritual basis. It must be of heart because heart is the ball or chalice of love. Honesty, sincerity, kindness, and integrity are also forms of love. Each partner should be perfectly honest and sincere with the other. It is not a true marriage when a man marries a woman for her money, social position, or to lift his ego, because this indicates a lack of sincerity, honesty, and true love. Such a marriage is a farce, a sham, and a masquerade. Now, the question is how to find or attract the ideal husband. The solution is really simple. Begin now to impress your subconscious mind with the qualities and characteristics you desire in a man. I will tell you an excellent technique. Sit down at night in your armchair, close your eyes, relax the body, becomes very quiet, passive, and receptive. Talk to your subconscious mind and say to it, I am now attracting a man into my experience who is honest, sincere, loyal, faithful, peaceful, happy, and prosperous. These qualities, which I admire, are sinking down into my subconscious mind now. I attract that which I feel to be true in my subconscious mind. Practice this process of impregnating your subconscious mind. Then you will have the joy of attracting to you a man possessing the qualities and characteristics you mentally dwelt upon. Be receptive to this gift of love which you have given to your subconscious mind. Dear friend, this is not about only women. Same condition applies for attracting an ideal wife. Well, my dear friends, affirm as follows: I now attract the who is in complete accord with me. This is a spiritual union because it is divine love functioning through the personality of someone with whom I blend perfectly. I know I can give to this woman love, light, peace, and joy. I feel and believe I can make this woman's life full, complete, and wonderful. I now decree that she possesses the following qualities and attributes. She is spiritual, loyal, faithful, and true. She is harmonious, peaceful, and happy. Friends, as you think quietly and with interest on the qualities and attributes which you admire in the companion you seek, you will build the mental equivalent into your mentality. Then your subconscious mind will bring both of you together in divine order. Dear friends, the author also takes into consideration the divorce or the process of divorce. Divorce is an individual problem, it can't be generalized. Divorce may be right for one person and wrong for another. A divorced woman may be far more sincere and noble than many of her married sisters who perhaps are living a lie. Divorce is not the only solution to a toxic marriage. Divorce takes place first in the mind, the legal proceedings follow after. When two young peoples are full of resentment, fear, suspicion, and anger, these kinds of attitude weaken, exhaust, and debilitate the whole being and also the relation between the two. So realize what you are doing with your minds cultivates the feeling of love and positivity as love unites and the hate divides. Dr. Joseph Murphy presents another picture of husband and wife relation. He quoted many times, the reason the wife nags is because she gets no attention. Human beings crave for love, affection, and attention. Give your wife attention and shows your appreciation. Praise and exalt all her many good points. The wife and husband must cease being scavengers, always looking at the petty faults or errors in each other. Let each give attention and praise for the constructive and wonderful qualities in the other. Similarly, if a man begins to brood, grows morbid against his wife because of the things she said or did, he is psychologically speaking committing adultery. That means he is unfaithful. He is not faithful to his marriage vows, which are to love, cherish, and honor her all the days of his life. So he should swallow his sharp remarks, abate his anger, and he can go to great lengths to be considerate, kind, and courteous. Assume the harmonious state and eventually you will find peace and harmony. One great advice by Dr. Joseph Murphy to couples is that do not discuss your marital problems or difficulties with neighbors and relatives. If they are doing this, they are degrading and belittling each other in the eyes of all the neighbors and relatives. I swear you to never discuss your marital problems with anyone except a trained counselor. It is well to remember that no two human beings ever lived beneath the same roof without clashes of temperament, periods of hurt and strain. Never display the unhappy side of your marriage to your friends. Keep your quarrels to yourself. Refrain from criticism and condemnation of your partner. Friends, there is also another piece of advice from the author, and that is do not try to make your partner the second edition of him or herself. The tactless attempt to change in many ways is foreign to their nature. These attempts are always foolish and many times result in the dissolution of marriage. Adjustments are needed, of course, but if you have a good look inside your own mind and study your own character and behavior, you will find so many shortcomings they will keep you busy for the rest of your me. You will have learned the hard way that there is no one to change but yourself. To conclude, I must say pray together and you will stay together. Never carry over from one day to another accumulated irritation arising from little disappointments. Be sure to forgive each other for any sharpness before you retire at night. The moment you awaken in the morning, claim infinite intelligence in guiding you in all your ways. Send out loving thoughts of peace, harmony, and love to your marriage partner, to all the members of the family, and to the whole world. Say to your wife or husband, I appreciate all you are doing and I radiate love and goodwill to you all day long. Thank you for watching. Blessed to have you all up to this time. Please like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to put valuable comments or suggestions in the comment box.